Welcome to Egypt, a country filled with ancient history, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant culture. From the iconic Pyramids of Giza to the majestic Nile River, Egypt offers a perfect mix of adventure, history, and relaxation. In this 6-day travel plan, we'll explore ancient temples, bustling markets, and stunning desert landscapes. Whether you're a history lover or just looking for an unforgettable trip, this itinerary will help you make the most of your time in Egypt. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Egypt is between October and April, when the weather is cooler and perfect for sightseeing. The peak tourist season is from December to February, so expect bigger crowds at popular sites. If you prefer fewer tourists while still enjoying pleasant weather, October, November, and March-April are great options. The summer months from May to September can be extremely hot, especially in southern cities like Luxor and Aswan, but it's also the best time for budget travelers since hotel and tour prices drop. The budget for your 6-day Egypt trip can vary depending on your preferences. The budget option ranges from $600 to $950, covering affordable hotels, public transport, and basic meals. For more comfort, the mid-range option costs between $1,000 and $1,500. If you're looking for luxury, the luxury option starts at $1,800 to $2,500 plus. Welcome to Cairo, the bustling capital of Egypt. Upon landing at Cairo International Airport, you can easily reach your hotel by taxi, Uber, or the airport shuttle service. Start your adventure by exploring Islamic Cairo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site filled with historic mosques, madrasas, and palaces. Notable sites include the Sultan Hassan Mosque, Al Rifai Mosque, and the charming Al Mu'izz Street. Next, visit Khan el Khalili, one of the oldest markets in the world. Wander through the stalls selling jewelry, textiles, perfumes, and spices, and don't forget to haggle for the best prices. Take a break at El Fishawi Cafe, famous for serving Egyptian tea and coffee for over 200 years. For lunch, try Kosheri Abu Tariq, where you can enjoy kosheri, Egypt's national dish. End your first day with a Nile River dinner cruise, offering a buffet of Egyptian dishes and beautiful views of the Cairo skyline at night. Many cruises also include live entertainment, like belly dancing and tanura performances. In Cairo, there are options for every budget. For those on a budget, you can find cozy hostels with great locations for around $20 per night. If you're looking for something more comfortable, mid-range hotels offer excellent amenities and views for about $80 per night. For a luxurious stay, there are high-end hotels along the Nile offering top-tier services starting at $250 per night. Today you'll explore the iconic Great Pyramids of Giza, the mysterious Sphinx, and the ancient sites of Saqqara and Memphis. Start your day early to avoid the crowds and experience the awe-inspiring Great Pyramids of Giza, which were built over 4,500 years ago as tombs for ancient pharaohs. Don't miss stepping inside the Great Pyramid of Khufu and marveling at its mysterious interior. You'll also have the chance to visit the pyramids of Khafre, Menkaure, and the Queen's Pyramids. Next, head to the Sphinx, the legendary half-lion, half-human statue that has captivated visitors for centuries. Take your time to admire its size and detail, and let your imagination wander as you try to solve its many mysteries. After your morning explorations, stop for lunch at a local restaurant to try fal madamas, a hearty Egyptian dish, or enjoy a delicious shawarma. After lunch, visit Saqqara, where you'll find the Step Pyramid of Djoser, the world's first pyramid. Explore this ancient necropolis, where tombs are adorned with beautiful hieroglyphs and well-preserved art. Then, head to Memphis, the ancient capital of Lower Egypt, and explore its open-air museum, which houses impressive artifacts, including the colossal statue of Ramses II. To finish the day, you have two exciting options. First, you can take a camel ride at sunset around the pyramids. The golden hour offers a peaceful, scenic way to view the pyramids, and it makes for stunning photos. Alternatively, opt for the sound and light show at the pyramids, where the monuments are illuminated in colorful lights, and a captivating narration brings Egypt's ancient history to life. Today, explore the ancient wonders of Luxor, often called the world's largest open-air museum. Start with a flight from Cairo to Luxor. Upon arrival, head straight to the Valley of the Kings, home to the tombs of famous pharaohs like Tutankhamun and Ramses II. Explore the tombs with intricate hieroglyphs and artwork, and don't miss King Tut's tomb and its original treasures. Next, visit the impressive Hatshepsut Temple, dedicated to the only female pharaoh, Queen Hatshepsut, set against the Theban hills. Afterward, enjoy lunch at a local restaurant, with traditional Egyptian dishes like grilled chicken or falafel. In the afternoon, explore the Karnak Temple, one of the largest religious complexes in the world, dedicated to Ammon-Ra. Walk through the Great Hypostyle Hall and see the sacred lake. End your day at Luxor Temple, which is beautifully illuminated at night, showcasing stunning architecture and blending pharaonic and Roman influences. Luxor offers a range of accommodation options to suit all budgets. For budget travelers, there are cozy hotels starting around $20 to $40 per night. Mid-range options offer comfort and great views for around $100 to $150 per night. For those seeking luxury, high-end hotels along the Nile start at $200 plus per night. Today you'll travel to Aswan, a tranquil city located along the Nile River, known for its stunning landscapes and ancient monuments. After breakfast, begin your journey with a 3.5-hour drive to Aswan. Upon arrival, your first stop will be the Aswan High Dam, a monumental feat of engineering that regulates the Nile's flow and provides hydroelectric power. The dam offers magnificent views of Lake Nasser, the world's largest artificial lake. Next, visit the unfinished obelisk, an ancient monument that offers fascinating insight into Egypt's stoneworking techniques. This colossal obelisk, which was never completed, would have stood 42 meters tall. After exploring the obelisk, enjoy a traditional Egyptian lunch at a nearby restaurant, where you can sample dishes like molokhia or grilled Nile fish. In the afternoon, head to Philae Temple, located on an island in the Nile, dedicated to the goddess Isis. The temple is known for its stunning reliefs and serene beauty, and you'll travel by boat to reach it. Once there, explore the peaceful surroundings and marvel at the well-preserved hieroglyphs and columns. End the day by returning to your hotel in Aswan for a relaxing evening. Known for its calm atmosphere, Aswan is the perfect place to unwind and reflect on the day's adventures. Aswan offers a variety of accommodations to suit all budgets. Budget options start around $25 per night with great Nile views. Mid-range hotels are available for about $100 per night, offering comfort and scenic river views. Luxury stays begin at $250 plus per night, featuring top-notch amenities and historic charm. Today, you'll explore the magnificent Abu Simbel temples before returning to Cairo. These iconic temples, built by Ramesses II and his queen Nefertari, are a must-see for any traveler. Start your day early with breakfast and embark on a 3 to 4 hour drive to Abu Simbel, either by private car or guided tour. Enjoy the peaceful desert journey as you make your way to this incredible site. The cost for a round trip to Abu Simbel is around $70 to $100. Upon arrival, marvel at the grandeur of the two massive temples carved into the rock. The larger temple is dedicated to Ramesses II, featuring 4 colossal statues of the pharaoh at its entrance. The smaller temple honors Queen Nefertari with stunning carvings of her alongside the gods. After exploring the temples, enjoy a traditional Egyptian lunch at a nearby restaurant. Choose from grilled chicken, falafel, or other delicious dishes. In the afternoon, return to Aswan, then catch a flight back to Cairo, which takes about 1 hour 15 minutes. Once you arrive in Cairo, head back to your hotel to unwind after a busy day. Enjoy a relaxing evening and get ready for your final day of exploration tomorrow. It's your final day in Egypt. Depending on your flight time, you can enjoy some last-minute sightseeing, shopping, or relax before departure. Start your day with a leisurely breakfast, and if you have extra time, consider a peaceful activity like visiting the Egyptian Museum in Tahrir Square to see ancient artifacts like the Tutankhamun exhibit. Alternatively, take a stroll along the Nile Corniche to enjoy the river views or head to Khan el Khalili Bazaar for some last-minute souvenir shopping. For lunch, savor a traditional Egyptian meal, such as a meze platter with hummus, baba ganoush, and fresh bread before your flight. After lunch, return to your hotel to collect your luggage and head to Cairo International Airport. Arrive at least 2 to 3 hours before your flight. If you have time at the airport, relax in the duty-free shops, cafes, or lounges before your departure. And that's a wrap on your 6-day Egypt adventure. From the bustling streets of Cairo to the awe-inspiring Pyramids of Giza, the mystical Abu Simbel temples, and the tranquil beauty of Luxor and Aswan, Egypt has so much to offer. Whether you're exploring ancient wonders or soaking in the vibrant culture, this journey will leave you with unforgettable memories. Before you pack your bags, don't forget to take a moment to appreciate the history, the hospitality, and the magic of this timeless destination. We hope this itinerary has inspired you to visit Egypt and explore its incredible treasures for yourself. Safe travels, and we wish you an amazing trip filled with new discoveries, adventure, and plenty of stories to share when you return.